Hey everybody, Kyle Knott, your average finance guy. I wanted to show you something that I just logged into my infinite banking policy. I got a little cash flow shortage, so I needed about $1,000 to make ends meet for the end of the month. I'll get that paid back real quick, but I want to show you what I just saw when I logged on. I haven't logged on in a little bit, but I got a portal that you can look at anytime you want. So this is my Mass Mutual account here, and I logged in. Hi Kyle, and I saw this. Record dividend announced. This week we've announced 2025 will mark the 157th consecutive year that an annual dividend will be paid to eligible participating policy owners. That's me. So I clicked into it, and this is what came up here. So Mass Mutual policy owners to benefit 2.5 billion record dividend in 2025. Look here, the interest rate was increased to 6.4%. So 6.4%. I'm taking out loans. I've got about a $80,000 loan. I bought some rental property that I'm paying 5.6% on, and my entire cash value is growing at 6.4. So when your entire cash value is growing at 6.4 and the loan that I took out, I only have to pay back at less than that. I mean, I got the spread, so I'm still making money no matter what, even though I've got a loan out on this. So to me that was crazy. This is obviously it goes up and down. It's not, oh, there is a guaranteed. I think mine is like 2.5 or 3%, something like that, small. But they've paid dividends every year for 157 years. So I did a little bit of math, and I found this dumb little website. I don't know what it really is, but 1867. Okay, so if you go back 157 years, that's 1867, and this is like the Alaska Purchase back in these days. Look back here to Andrew Johnson was the 17th president in 1865, because who was the 16th president was Abraham Lincoln, was assassinated in 1865. So 2 years after President Lincoln was assassinated, Mass Mutual has been paying dividends every year since then. So if you kind of scroll through here, it's just crazy about some of the stuff that was going on. Electric streetcar, Kodiak camera, Wounded Knee massacre, the last battle. We're still battling Indians in 1890. Going to the 20th century here, 1900s. Wright brothers' first flight. We got the Model T Ford down here in 1908. Then we got the age of so sorry. The 1865 was also the end of the Civil War. So this is literally started 2 years after the Civil War. That's how long they've been paying on this. So it's just kind of crazy as you go through history. You think 157 years, okay, that's really good, but where the country actually was 157 years ago is crazy. So you got the stock market crash of 29, Great Worldwide Depression. They paid dividends through the Great Depression. They paid through World War II, World War One. I didn't say that was in there too. So they paid through all these. Basically the couple years after the Civil War, World War One, Two. All of this stuff, the Great Depression, the dot-com bust of 2000, the '08 meltdown, 9/11, the attacks on the World Trade Center. There was the Spanish-American War, first flight, Model T. I mean, the history goes back so far that it's just it blew my mind. I got thinking about it and just kind of went down this rabbit hole. I'm like, I'm gonna make a video on this real quick just to show how long that this company has been paying dividends. And to me, the way they've got to keep their money, it's way more secure than a bank. A bank, yeah, you've got FDIC insurance up to $250,000, but I think I don't remember what the ratio was, but I heard somewhere that there's like a 1% of if the banks fail, like if one Silicon Valley Bank and all these banks fail, there really wasn't even enough in the FDIC insurance war chest, if you will, to pay out all of that. So if the banks do start going down, you're not going to get your money, even though they make you feel good that you're FDIC insured. To me, the insurance companies are way more safer. They've got to keep more on reserves. They do more investing, and they are with it, and they are growing their money, which is your money if you get the right company with a mutually owned company. So just kind of want to throw that out there real quick and show you what I just kind of came across, and kind of blew my mind. It was a nice little surprise that I was not expecting whatsoever, but I'll be making 6.4% on money that I can also use to invest. So I hope this helps, and have a great day.